So pro packing tip, always pack those things you can't replace in a carry-on bag and never take it on the plane, just in case your bag gets lost. The last thing you ever want to be doing is breaking in a brand new pair of heavies during the show. If you could even find a pair of heavies in Outback Australia. Pro tip number 2, make sure you always have some form of entertainment for those long bus rides, especially if you're doing a tour through Western Australia. I think this should probably last me about 3 weeks.
I don't like to overthink the packing side of things. I usually leave it to the last minute. It'll take me about 20 minutes.
So packing normally takes at least a week to get together.
I guess it goes a little something like this.
And this is what my process typically looks like. Unfortunately for us girls, our list of essentials is infinitely longer than that of a boy. Typical, am I right, ladies? Our list includes makeup, fake tan, extra hair, bobby pins, hairspray, makeup remover, tights, bummers. Honestly, you name it and it's on our list, I guarantee ya.